on us. Hopefully they don't poop on us. What do you think about the birds? Are they flying? What do you think? Oh, you're gonna eat the French fry. Look at him flying above your head. The birds are getting kind of close, aren't they? Oh, they're all done. Are they carry us away? Say bye-bye to the birds. Bye-bye. Uh-oh. We better go so they don't poop on our heads. Oh, you're going to chase them?